Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and sugar. For equipment, a double boiler and a precise thermometer are crucial. Using good quality ingredients makes a significant difference in the final taste and texture of your homemade chocolate. This foundation ensures a delightful treat. Next, we'll begin the melting process. Place your cocoa butter and cocoa mass in a double boiler, heating them gently. It's important to keep the temperature between 110 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Once melted, slowly incorporate your sugar, stirring continuously until it's completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. This step creates the base for your delicious chocolate. Now, let's talk about tempering, a vital step for professional-looking chocolate. Tempering prevents unsightly bloom and gives your chocolate a beautiful shine and crisp snap. First, heat your chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, reheat it slightly to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control is essential. For our final step, it's time to mold your beautiful chocolate. Carefully pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into your chosen clean, dry molds. After filling, gently tap the molds on your counter a few times. This helps release any tiny air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. Finally, let your chocolate cool completely in a cool, dry place until it's firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.